help the work in today. I want to do a video about how the engine can create overheating or how engine create overheating. Whilst your thermostat is good, the fan is working properly, everything is okay, and the cooling system always build up pressure in the engine that cause engine overheating. So watch out the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow the steps so that you can free from overheating of your car. Thank you. Take care. Yo.
So, whenever you're about to fill your tank with the coolant, you put it here, then here become full. Make sure here is full. The here is full. You can see the pipeline. The rest go into the reservoir. In the reservoir, I have the two steps. I have the minimum and then the maximum. So we are filling to the maximum. But if it is minimum, you can use it like that. But it's supposed to be in a maximum form. So when we are filling to the maximum, but don't fill your coolant, your reservoir to the edge as I pointed. Edge, you fill to the edge, it creates pressure in the engine because the rest of the pipe, when it boils, it enters into the reservoir. So when you fill it to the edge, it will build pressure and it can cause overheating. So you can see that everything is okay, but the engine is creating overheating or it's causing overheating because of your fill to the edge. That's why it's really like that. So if you're failing, don't fill to the edge, but rather fill to the maximum level so that the engine can rest, engine can breathe out. Because if it is full, it will build pressure. The pressure will build in the engine, so it's supposed to fill to the maximum, not the edge. Anytime you fill to the edge, you are creating pressure or you are creating overheating to the engine because it is full and then the water is supposed to breathe or have a space to roll. So if it is no space, it creates overheating. So you fill to the maximum, but not the edge. So you're supposed to check that when we're filling your reservoir tank. You're supposed to check that you don't fill to. So this tank too, you can see it run over there. The maximum and then the minimum line is down there at the edges. So fill to the maximum, not the edge. You fill to the edge, you build pressure to the engine because you can see where the hose is. You don't feel it. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the K Garage. Thank you. Thank you very much for your helping. Thank you very much. Bye.